Is coaching really important? Think of an elite sportsman like Virat Kohli. Does he have a personal coach? Yes, he does. But would you say career success is purely down to his coach? Of course not. Kohli trains and suffers day in and day out to improve his game. Same goes with the success in the civil service examination. Coaching would always help you in every step of your UPSC preparation. It plays an integral part in the UPSC preparation and also helps to keep you in the right path and will put you in the competition in the right way. Along with this, a right strategy and study material are very important. And this would be provided to you by Analog IAS Academy. I, K. Himabindu, a student of Analog IAS Academy. Analog provides you with daily, weekly, monthly current affairs magazines, which would help you exclusively the current affairs. The institute also provides you with everyday, weekly, fortnight, monthly tests, which would help you to analyze yourself and also to revise and remember. It provides you with comprehensive material which is segregated according to the UPSC syllabus, and the faculty is very friendly and grounded and are always supportive, and you can always approach them at any time. And the best part of the academy is you're provided with one-to-one mentorship who would guide you. Analog IAS Academy also conducts scholarship test ASTRA every year, which will give you a scholarship up to 50% so that aspirants can utilize this great opportunity. Thank you.